Bore da, Jess Davies yma, a heddi dwi wedi dod lawr y M4 I Llanyrafon Manor i'r Rural Foods and Crafts Fair, and I've heard so many good things about it, so I'm really looking forward to finding out a bit more about what goes on.
What's your hourly rate?
Everything's gluten-free, everything's vegan. I developed my own base for my diffusers because all the bases, even the eco bases within the UK, have been tested on either rats or beagles.
Everyone who runs a farmers market store has an interesting story about how they've ended up doing it, or why, or what they've done. And you've got time to sit. You'll sit while you stand and chat with people.
So I bet you see a lot of familiar faces at the farmers market.
Oh, loads of regular people come back here every week. And I try and do an incentive on the recycling little jars. If they bring things back to me, they get 50% off their next purchase.
What you see on top of the muffins there, not only is it just a topping, inside you've got the ingredients baked right inside the muffin.
So I make moisturising bars with beeswax, cocoa butter, almond oil, natural essential oils. It's all 100% natural.
Dod ma heddi, mae fe really neis jyst I gweld bod mae pobl really yn trio yn galed I wneud gwahaniaeth amgylcheddol, dim defnyddio plastig, encouraging recycling, not using palm oil, not using preservatives. That's a big sample. Wel, dwi wedi cael amser anhygoel fan hyn. Mae fe'n just lle hyfryd, mae bwyd yn hyfryd, mae pobl yn hyfryd, a dwi just really wedi mwynhau. Felly diolch yn fawr am gael fi a siarad efo fi, a gobeithio byddai weld chi unwaith eto.